Conditions are clearing across South Africa just in time for the weekend after the low pressure system that brought wet conditions over the past few days has dissipated overnight. We're still expecting a few light showers for Lesotho and some of the surrounding areas, but those conditions will be clearing this afternoon. And at the same time, we're expecting a partly cloudy afternoon across much of the Highveld. It will remain fairly cloudy over parts of Limpopo today, and we're also expecting quite cloudy conditions along the west coast ahead of the next cold front. There's up to a 40% chance of showers for Lesotho and the far northern mountainous areas of the Eastern Cape today. There may even be a bit of rain in towards the Aliwal North area. Otherwise, it's going to be dry for the rest of the country except over the far southwestern corner, where there's a small chance for some light rain for the Cape Peninsula as well as the Cape Winelands. Let's take a look at those maximums, where we're expecting a far milder day over the central and eastern parts of the country after the cold conditions yesterday. Temperatures will rise into the upper teens and lower 20s. A lovely day expected along the east coast of South Africa as temperatures approach the mid-20s, while along the west coast it's going to be quite cool. Increased cloud cover keeping temperatures in the mid to upper teens for most places. Taking a look at that west coast now, we're expecting northerly to northwesterly winds across this area, fresh at times for Langebaan up to 35 kilometers per hour, and swells will be fairly low with an average height of about 2 meters. Swells will be increasing as we head further south to about 2.5 meters. This is mainly due to the stronger winds over this area, where False Bay can expect strong northwesterly winds. Moderate winds, on the other hand, will be affecting Cape Agulhas. Along the south coast, we're expecting light winds and low swells. Winds will be blowing off of the coastline. This is going to help to warm temperatures across this area, swells averaging at 2 meters. And finally, along the east coast of South Africa, northeasterly winds will blow from Richards Bay all the way through to East London between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour, and swells are remaining fairly unchanged with an average height of 2 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.